I mean, look at this. Yeah, 40s with about 50% coverage of rain. So hopefully we'll see some breaks in the rain, but for right now, it does look cold and it does look wet. So be prepared for the Dallas holiday parade there. I wish I had better news. Okay, so here's what you also need to know. Near freezing tonight for many locations. The rain returns as early as tomorrow, but it does carry on throughout the weekend. And I'll time it out for you. But first, let's look at some of the low temperatures for tonight. Tonight in the Metroplex, I think we make it to about 33 degrees. A few locations could get to 32. I do think that areas like Denton and Collin County to the north will see a freeze. This will not be the first freeze of the season. In fact, many of these locations have already seen a freeze, but basically anywhere north of this line, I do think will cool down enough. And it's because of the light north winds in place, the dry air in place, and the clear skies. Perfect combination for just a cold night. And followed by, a cool day. Friday, a high of 50 degrees, 48 on Saturday, 61 on Sunday, upper 60s on Monday. So you see that temperature climb. And then we drop right back into the mid 50s on Tuesday as our next front comes in. Let's talk about that rain. Rain coverage for Friday, super low, 10%. This happens late in the day. It goes up to about 60% coverage on Saturday and Saturday night. I do think that that's when we'll see our best opportunity for rain, especially the eastern half of North Texas. So I'm going to take you through the morning Friday here. Friday morning, we start out clear. That's why we could see close to freezing temps. But look at the cloud cover across the west. We'll generally see that cloud cover spreading across the rest of North Texas on Friday, especially during the afternoon hours. And then the rain likely going to move in sometime around 6 or 7 in the form of just spotty light showers. Friday night, that's when we start to see coverage go up just a tad, about 30%. But Saturday morning, this is Saturday around 7. I'm going to take you throughout the day here. Look at this. Cloud cover starts to really pack in. That rain really starts to pile in, especially along and south of Interstate 20. I do think that by this point, we'll start to see more in the form of scattered thunderstorms, especially southeast of DFW. This is Saturday night now around 7. And then that rain just kind of continues along the eastern half of North Texas. I'm going to take you to Sunday morning now. Look at this. Better rain coverage across the area. At this point, I do think that we could see some downpours. And again, most of us will see the rain sometime Sunday morning. It clears out from west to east throughout the day on Sunday. All that to say, I don't think this weekend will be a washout, but I do think we need a plan on having a second plan in case you do have an outdoor activity that you're doing this weekend. Anywhere from ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall will be possible, slightly higher towards the southeast. Tonight, 33 degrees, clear skies, dry, light winds. Definitely want to make sure to bundle up. By the afternoon, cloud cover only 50 degrees, so that'll be cooler than today. About 10% coverage with that rain, and it goes up to about 60% coverage on Saturday, and it stays at a 60% coverage Saturday night, and that rain thins out on Sunday. Next week, looking cool, but at least it's feeling festive. All for Santa's helpers, too.